My guy, how's it? You good? What's up, man? You change yourself?
I already charged you. I'm tired.
You can. Yeah, and this here, my man. It's not easy. Thanks, man. How's it? Chimwali! How are you, Chimwali wangu? I miss you too. I'm coming. Bye. Assalamu alaikum. Do you have a cardamom?
Huh?
Cardamom, you know cardamom?
I don't know.
In Islam, say ilik. Bye. You know cardamom? Cardamom, that thing you put in the tea, smell nice. You don't know cardamom?
No. Give me. Come. How was it?
You don't know cardamom? Maduka bwana. Cardamom.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so now it's good home now, ne? So we familiar home, ne? Yeah, familiar is number one. Yeah. How many guys? Same one. I don't have.
Eh?
Don't have.
Wait, I'm checking another stuff.
You guys have to get the if they go see.
Wait, you know I'm short.
No, it's not short. This thing.
Oh, this is cinnamon.
Cinnamon, cardamom.
Where is it cardamom?
Like
Yes. The powder one. You have a powder.
powder, I don't know.
You have only this one.
Yeah.
Give me this one. Where is it?
Whatever is a cardamom.
Yeah, this is, you see. Cardamom. Cardamom. It's like a Cardi B. You know Cardi B, the artist.
This is what? And this one.
Fuck. But it's
What is this?
expensive. This is expensive. Damn. You don't. Ukiniuliza natakaje, sijui nifanyeje. Pata mpenzi. Hey, my sister Sarah.
Bandit.
Yes.
What?
Eh?
Cardamom. You say what?
Cardamom.
You eat that what? This one is what?
Is a expired machine
one?
check. It's expired machine check. You see right in here is a cardamom.
Green. This name is my father.
Green. So you are Sarah Green?
Yeah.
But you're black, Moss.
So?
It's supposed to be Sarah Black, not Sarah Green. What? How can you be Sarah Green? Eh?
My children, now you study Chipongo.
No, I'm telling the truth.
Now you study Chipongo, you.
Which Chipongo are you talking about? No, I'm saying the truth, Moss. You are black. You can't your father be green and then you look black. No, you are Sarah Black. Eh? Chimwad. You are sick. You are sick, Wena.
Change.
No. Thanks, ne? Yeah. And hivi ndivyo tunavyokwenda dukani. Unatakiwa utembee chap, yani uende chap, urudi chap, usipoteze muda njiani. Sababu ukipoteza muda huwezi jua nani anaweza kuja kufanya kitu chochote, kwa sababu nchi yenyewe hii hatuaminiani. Yani kila mtu anamuinda mwenzake, kila mtu anamvizia mwenzake. Kwa hiyo tukiwe chap. Yeah, I see it's true you are tired. All right, let me vie and fit. Good to make some tea, you know. Yeah. Even it's hot, but what you can do? No wife. Yani maduka yako mbali, inabidi uende chini kule. Sasa bongo hapo, jamaa kisa jina lake Mushi, au jamaa mmoja anaitwa jina lake Mangi. Jenga nyumba, anajenga na frame mbele huko. Ndugu yangu, haruhusiwi. Maduka yako upande huu mwingine, upande huu mwingine resident, maeneo ya watu kuishi, you know. So mwisho siku maisha yanaendelea. Wezi kuona watoto nje wanacheza kama kibongobongo. Wezi kuona watu wanatembea tembea. So yeah.